There it is, boys. It's in there. That's the new design, and you can't tell at the top, but it is rounded. It has a cavity at the top. It's got a little crack in it. I'm going to fill that in, but you can look down the sides. If that window was open, you could look down the sides of the window a little bit, and there's room for the engineer. The skinny engineer fits right in there. These holes, if I move my thumb right, there you go. These holes line up perfectly with the holes that would be in the bottom, right? We talked about changing the flap from the fire to the ash pan. That's easy to do. We'll just have to verify and see where it needs to be and how it works. There's how the piece would bolt in, and there's the connectors for the tender, how they would work. And I'll show you how you would assemble it. This thing is the part that goes on last. You have to pull the pins out of the holes that hold them, and that comes off, 2 screws. That's going to get modified tomorrow. When you look in there, there's the board. There's the motor on sensor. Look at how much space there is. Isn't that nice? There's a connector. I got too much wire in there, so it's kind of wadded up right now. But you can slide this forward enough that you then lift this up and out, just like that. Then you slide this to the rear, and it just slides right back. Oh, yeah, see, slides right back, comes out. Voila! And then, it's a little weird, I can't see what I'm doing. So there's the connector and the board in the Firebox. I made a cavity for it. I made the board small enough for it. And you can take it out. You can put it in. You plug it in once you get things arranged. And this LED that I put on here was for show. I was going to have it light up off the supply, but I didn't have time. I ran out of time, so I had to come back up. But it fits. Everything fits. So I'm very encouraged. Look at this. 64B. I don't know what that means. 64S. 64-8. I don't know what that means. 648. I wonder if it's 1948. I don't know. And then there's a little mark there. I don't know what that means. At any rate, I didn't show you the stack, but the stack is dead center. It's perfect. And this slips in. It slips in fairly easy when you have it, your eyes and lights, and you're not up in the TV room and all that stuff. But it does slip in. It slides in. You assemble everything. You put your 2 screws here and your 2 screws here, and it's held in place. Everything's held in place with the ash pan and all that. So I'm really happy. It's working out. It's going to be great. I'll just put it here for now, and I'll set it up tomorrow, and we'll give it the run through on the rollers, and see if we can't get it on the rails too. Okay, so I got the board, we got the modification to the Firebox. Now I just need to tweak the ash pan to clear the trailing truck and add the lighting. By golly. All right, later. Have a good one.